Third, proper cultivation. Cultivation means think of your life now. It's not just a dictionary definition here, and I'm just spouting off words. Okay, that was good. Give me the next word. Turn my page. Next. No, I'm talking about life change, long-lasting change. Pay attention to this, what proper cultivation means here. Cultivation means improve. And this is for me too, not just for you. This is for everybody. Every human being on the face of this planet, it means improve, prepare, promote growth, form, refine as by education, feed, train, care for, and enrich. So all three principles require consistency, time, and a decision. Nothing takes place unless a decision has been made. So either we want the change for character development, or it's not going to happen. We'll just grow old and older and older and older and still be a crab. And that goes for me too. I work on this stuff all the time, every single day, and I do not pass all my tests, believe me. But, should I give up? No, I just get back up and keep on moving.